Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great Tuesday. I am the Vortex Trader and today we are looking at Apple, AAPL. We are on the 1 hour time frame and what I am looking at is somewhat of a triple bottom. Right, let's get into it. We can see that price was trending downwards, making lower lows and lower highs as it trended down, right? We can see this clearly if we put a little trend line just like this. 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps, 4 taps, 5 taps, right? On the 6th, we seem to have broken through. Cool. So that is one bit of confluence, right? Some of the confluence that I always like to look for is the MACD. The histogram is showing divergence. We have price sloping upwards. We have the sellers weakening out and the buyers coming to step in. Right? Further to prove and to validate this point is the strong bullish bars of volume that we are seeing. And what is awesome is that we see this bullish bar right here. Right, on the very most recent hourly candle, we have seen strong bullish bar of volume, and this volume took us above the neckline. So let me just write in the word neckline here for you guys. It's always good to see. Neck, how do we spell neck? No, I'm kidding. Neckline. Great. Let's put this thing. Okay. Right. So this neckline was also previous resistance, right? Because, look, price broke below it. We gapped below it, came up to retest it, couldn't quite pass it, went back down, formed a second bottom. Here's our first bottom. Here is our second bottom. Came back up, which coincided with the trend line, couldn't quite pass it, came back down, formed a third bottom, came back up past it, had some strong bullish volume, which is what we needed, right? And boom, we have broken up above the neckline. We have broken out of the descending trend line. So our confluence is there, our setup is there. But now when do we enter this position? Well, as I'm recording this, the markets are currently closed, all right? But what I would be looking for is a pullback, a retracement back to the neckline. And I would like to see a retracement deep into the neckline, right? Myself personally, I wouldn't enter when price pulls right to the top of the neckline, although you can. I'm a patient trader. I'm a swing trader. I will actually wait for price to go even maybe a little bit below the neckline because this gives me a higher risk to reward, right? And I will not enter into any position unless I get a minimum of 1 to 2. All right? I'm not holding out for a 1 to 10 or something along those lines, right? I have a very specific way of entering into these positions, and I will not enter them unless all of my rules and criteria are met. Let me just delete these circles because they keep bouncing up and down. Right. So I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for the deepest pullback possible. Right. And my target is previous resistance that was formed on the 27th of June when the price of Apple sort of formed this double top here, right? And we can see that if we do this, just a simple neckline, a neck zone. This will be a bit of a zone. Come on, why can't I kick this thing? It needs to get straight. There we go. You see how price broke below it, retested it, and then carried on trending downwards, right? Well, the opposite is true now. We have a triple bottom, and I'm waiting for the exact same thing to play out. Nope, I did not enter into this position, although it would have been a good one. But as you can see, the retrace, right, barely touched the bottom of this neckline. You see, we could put this neckline even higher, and look, we hardly touched it, and we can say this is also because of the trend line. However, we can always adjust trend lines, so just remember trend lines are subjective. However, for the sake of this video, I'm keeping it here as this makes the most sense to me. So on that note, guys, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment if there's anything you are unsure about or you want to ask. Please do so. I will make sure to reply as soon as possible. I have linked our website below in the description. Forex-Stock-Predictions.com is a fantastic resource for day traders, made by day traders. My partner and myself, we have built this thing from the ground up, and we have such awesome, tremendous traders all posting their thoughts and their analysis and their setups on on all financial markets across the entire market sector, right? Everything. We got crypto, stocks, commodities, we have Forex, whatever you can think, we have traders trading them, and we have their charts and their ideas and their strategies laid out so you can follow them and see exactly how they like to trade. If you feel like supporting us, please head over to our Patreon link. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can check out our courses on technical analysis. We are going to be doing live streaming, predictions, fundamentals. It's going to be a whole bunch of fun. We're really trying to grow this channel, so if you could support us, it would be greatly appreciated. And on that note, it is time to wrap up today's video on Apple stock, and I will be seeing you all in the next one. Thanks again very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See you later.